Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be using red lentil to prepare akara or bean bun. So look and see how I got to this point. I just want to use this opportunity to say thank you to you all that comes along to watch my video. So in this recipe, I'm going to be using red lentil. You can see how tiny they are. And I have 2 eggs and an onion and 2 scotch bonnets. It depends on if you like to use pepper in your food. This is optional. I like my food to be spicy. So that is the red lentil. I'm transferring it into a bigger bowl and I'm going to soak it for about 20 minutes. The good thing about this is it does not have the shaft. No matter how you wash it, it's like it's already peeled out. So all you need to do is to soak it, to soften it so that your blender blade can go over it. You wash it out and you make sure that it is soft. Now I'm transferring it into my blender and I'm going to be blending it with little water. It depends on the quantity of the lentil that will determine the amount of water that you are going to add. So you add your water and you blend to a purine form. This is the first one that I blended and I have a little more to blend. At this point, I'm going to be adding my pepper, my onion into the leftover lentil. You still have to add a little water as you are blending. You blend until it is tough. So at this point, I'm going to be adding my egg. I like to blend my egg so that everything will be mixed together. You can as well add it after you have finished blending your lentil, but this is the way I like mine. And I add egg to it because egg makes it to be fluffy. Now I'm going to blend my chicken bouillon so that everything will be mixed together. You know, at times it's difficult for it to melt, so I like to blend it so that I will not be eating the piece. Now it is ready. At this point, you can add your salt. I just added my Himalayan salt. You can use any salt of your choice. At this point, you can choose if you want to fry it into akara or you want to make it into moi moi. You can bake this as well. You can just put them in a muffin pan and bake it in the oven. Now my groundnut oil is ready to be heated. You can use any oil of your choice. I always add onion into my oil because I like the flavor to get into the oil. Okay, this is optional. It depends on what you like. So I'm cutting my akara into the oil. Fry on a low heat. I like the little crumbs. I remember when I was little, those crumbs, oh my gosh, I really like to eat them. So each time I'm frying akara, I like to add like little drops that later form into the tiny crumbs. I don't know if some of you do the same thing. So as you're frying, you flip it around and make sure that it is well fried. So this is the first set. I'm telling you, this really looks like akara that is being fried with beans. So this is the lentil that is being fried. The good thing about this red one is that it looks as if you have added your bell pepper in it, because everything looks red. Okay, so this is the akara. You can eat this with bread, with akamu, pap, custard, or even like this. Is just like a snack. It's like buns. It's like puff puff. Just give it a name that you like. Thank you all. Thank you so much. Please, I will appreciate if you subscribe to my channel, like and share my videos. You see the inside, there is no difference between this and akara. Thank you so much. I will see you all in my next video by God's grace. Bye.